In this video, we are going to draw this figure in front of us. Okay, so we're going to check the dimensions first. As we can see, they are in millimeters. So that will be the first action. The second action will be going into the projection here. So without wasting much time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go new there. We go metric, standard millimeters, and then we go create. So once we're here, we're gonna start with the rectangles because it's gonna be easier that way. So there is our first rectangle. There is our second one. Okay. There is our third one. Right. So I want the dimension from there to here to be 60 millimeters, 60. Okay. And this one here need to be 70. Great. That's one from there to there. That one need to be 10 millimeters. Okay. And this need to be 10 millimeters as well. So 10 millimeters. The next thing that we're gonna go is that line there. Okay. There we go. And from there to there, that need to be 10. 10, and from here to there, that need to be 10 as well. 10. Great. After that, we're going to go for those two little guys. That one and that one. The one that we're having there. Okay. All right. And then this one here, from there to there, that one need to be 15 millimeters. Okay. As well, this one from there to there need to be 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters, and from here to there, that one need to be 17 and a half. 17 and a half. Great. And from here to there, that one needs to be 20. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, we can say finish sketch, or we can go on 3D model then, and then we're going to extrude. So we're gonna extrude this whole part. That one, and this one by 90 millimeters. So 90 millimeters. Okay, both sides of the drawing plane. We go like that, and we say, okay. Now we can come here and say visibility on, right? Then go on 3D model again, extrude. This whole thing now we're going to cut. That's 1 by 70, so 70. Both sides of the drawing plane, and then it goes like that. Okay. Okay. Again, we're going to press this extrude and come here. That one, we're gonna extrude it by 35 millimeters. So we're cutting like that, and then we say okay, we're gonna come back here. That's one as well. Now by 15 millimeters, 15. We're going to cut it, okay, like that, and then we say okay. So the next thing that we're going to do is sketch visibility off. Okay, sketch visibility off. Now you have your figure. Now what we can do is we're gonna choose the material. We can say even gold is fine. Okay. So we need to save this drawing in order to project it. So we're gonna save it like this. Save as 33. So 3. Enter. There you go. And then here we're going to come there and then say new sketch and create drawing now. Okay, choose that template and then we say create. Once we're here, we're gonna choose our base drawing. So that's one. Which one is better? Let's see. Like that. This one is better. So scale 2 times. Great. We have it there, the front view. Then you have that view, this view, and that view. Okay. And then we say okay. now we're gonna give dimensions, so we come annotate the dimensions. So this one here, okay, we say okay, now I see that the dimensions are too small, so we can come here and manage style editor, and taking time, we can come on text, you come here, okay, you say I choose that one, I want 12 day 12, save, okay, that's bigger now. All right, I say save and close. Now I want what am I doing? Sorry, dimension. So this one here, from there to there, I have it there. Okay, from there to there, 70. All right, that's one 35. Okay, this one here, come on, from there to there we have 15. Okay, and what else? So the rest you can do yourself. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. So please see you next time. Bye.